Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we will be sharing quick updates about the job opportunities on testing for various experience as well as walk-in interviews that are going to happen on this upcoming Saturday, that is 10th of February. So please watch the video till the end because we would be sharing both the things. And before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share and subscribe our channel. So the very first job opening is at Sapiens. So Sapiens is a company at Bangalore and they are looking for senior automation QA guys. That is having experience of somewhere around 5 to 7 years. So this is a direct email address of HR itself. So you can share the CV at this particular detail, sahana.1@sapiens.com, right? And then we have got the details for this upcoming Saturday, 10th of February. So there is a walk-in opportunity for automation test engineers with 4+ years of experience. So they are looking for test engineers who have experience with API automation using REST assured, mobile automation using APM, performance testing, right? So it will be, the timings would be 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And this is the registration form. So we will be putting the form link in the comment section of this video. So you can fill that form and then you would be getting more details about this event. So this is for Mulia company. Okay. So they are looking for automation test engineers. Apart from that, again, there is a vacancy for automation test engineers at Hyderabad location. So experience required is 4+ years. This is with respect to venkatesh.n@jateglobal.com. So this is the email address. The company is Jate Global. They are looking for immediate joiners, someone who can join within 30 days itself. Skills required again is Selenium. Then the company which is going to do hiring is Test House. So they are looking for manual test engineers, right? So sometimes company do hire software test engineers and then they do put them on the projects with respect to their skills, manual as well as automation. Sometimes they directly come up with the vacancies of automation or manual testers itself. Okay, so experience required is 3 to 7 years, and they are looking for someone who knows functional testing. Location is Kerala, Trivandrum, and job description is given. They need someone who has got expertise in insurance domain testing, healthcare domain testing, someone who can write test cases, someone who is aware about SDLC, STLC, defect life cycle, functional testing, non-functional testing, right? Good to have domain knowledge and testing. So domain knowledge will play a vital role because you would be able to design test scenarios accordingly, right? And then if someone is having good experience with respect to CRM, that is nice to have, right? And this is the email address where you can share your CV at varsha.latha@testhouse.net. Again, this is a direct email address of HR itself, right? So whichever opportunities, whichever email addresses that we are sharing, we are taking care that those are genuine ones, those are not the scam ones, those are not the fake ones, so that you don't get, you know, a part of some kind of scam. Okay, so we have taken that particular care, and if further still you feel that this is again a scam or someone is demanding money from you, then you can just put a comment section on the video of this itself, so we'll take care of it accordingly. Then there is a vacancy of automation engineers at Nice company, which is at Hinjewadi phase 2 Pune. They are looking for a person having a experience of 8 to 12 years, a professional having experience of 8 to 12 years, and 8+ years of experience in ITS as that itself, 5+ in automation testing using Playwright, 3+ in web services REST API. And you can share your CV at shruti.arora@nice.com. Then there is a vacancy in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Indore. The company name is Crino Solutions Private Limited. Experience required is 4 to 7 years, and you can share your CV to this particular email address itself. Urgent opening for a Bangalore-based company is also there. QA lead, test engineer, software engineer, tech lead. So nearly around we have 10 to 12 vacancies in this company. You can share your CV at this particular email address. Then there is a company from Bangalore as well as Pune. So name is Happiest Mind Technologies. They are looking for Tosca automation testers. So someone who is having experience of 3+ years, they can apply to this company. This is the email address, vincent.p.tejasns@happiestminds.com. So number of openings, 5 positions are there. and they're looking for immediate to 15 days. First round will be virtual, but second round you will have to have in-person face-to-face interview. So if you are in Bangalore, Pune, it would be easier for you, right? So this was a video about few of the opportunities that we find in the market that are available as of today. So please apply to them, and looking forward to connect with you again. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.